there. If you or a loved one is struggling with OCD, what you need to know more than anything is that this disorder is highly treatable. In fact, therapy for OCD, called exposure and response prevention, or ERP, is highly effective. In fact, it's likely the single most effective form of therapy for any mental health condition there is. It's really important that if you have OCD, you find a provider who is well trained in ERP. So what is ERP? Again, it stands for exposure and response prevention. The first part, exposure, means we help you figure out what sorts of things your OCD is causing you to avoid, and then we gradually help you expose yourself to them. While this can sound like something you would not want to do, what we know about anxiety for sure is that when we avoid things, our anxiety gets worse. So getting better means finding a way to get more comfortable, as unusual as that sounds, with inviting anxiety back in a very graduated way. We figure out how to go about this collaboratively with you so that you understand what we're doing and why, and we use something called a hierarchy. So as you progress, things that seemed harder up front will not seem as hard as they did early on in our work together. Response prevention means that while doing the exposure work, we have you refrain from doing your compulsions or rituals so that you get out of the endless cycle of feeling anxiety and then needing to do things over and over to feel better. There's some debate as to why ERP is so effective, but scientists are pretty clear that this form of therapy actually changes your brain, meaning you're developing new pathways that will help you after your therapy is over. It's pretty exciting to consider that you have the power to not only learn new ways to cope with anxiety, but also to change your brain. Again, we're very honored and excited here at Life Counseling Institute to help you or your loved one with OCD. It's highly treatable, and there's so much hope. So if you'd like to learn more, just give us a call and we'll answer all your questions and get you set up with a therapist who can help you. Thanks so much.